In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional email using Google Workspace on your Squarespace website. Whether you're launching a new business or looking to streamline your email, this setup will help you manage your communications effectively. First things first, you'll want to head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've logged in, click on the website you'd like to connect to your Google Workspace email. This is your creative hub, and from here we can customize your email settings. Next, we'll navigate to the specific settings you need for this setup. Look at the left-hand menu and you'll see an option for settings. Click on that and then select Email and Google Workspace from the drop-down menu. This area is crucial because it's where we'll initiate the setup process for your Gmail account under Google Workspace. To proceed, click on Get Started under the Google Workspace Gmail section. Now, we must enter the email address you'd like to create. Input something that aligns with your domain, for example, info@yourdomain.com. Once you've entered the desired email address, click on Next. Follow the prompts which will guide you through either signing into your existing Google account or setting up a new Workspace account if you don't already have one. Verifying your domain is an important next step. Squarespace needs to confirm that you own the domain before you can send emails from it. This verification often involves adding records to your domain's DNS settings, specifically MX and TXT records, which essentially tell the internet where to send your email. Within Squarespace, head back to the Settings menu, but this time click on Domains. Select the domain you're working with and navigate to DNS settings. This is where you'll add the Google Workspace MX records. You'll need to input the following: a priority of 1 with the server aspmxl google.com and additional servers with priorities of 5 and 10 as provided by Google. Make sure to delete any existing MX records to prevent any conflicts. Sometimes Squarespace will provide a TXT record for further verification. Simply add this record exactly as instructed in the DNS settings. And if your setup includes email aliases, you might need to enter a name record. Once all these records are added, ensure all details are correct and then save your changes. Remember, it can take up to 24 hours for these DNS changes to propagate across the internet. Finally, let's verify the setup. Log into your Gmail account using the newly created custom domain email. Send a test email to yourself and check if you receive it. Similarly, try sending an email to another account and see if it lands in their inbox without issues. If everything is working as expected, congratulations. Your Google Workspace Gmail should now be fully active on your Squarespace domain and you're ready to go.